Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Fungi Parasitic. Parasitic fungi are the principal disease-causing organisms in plants. The parasitic fungi, they are the principal disease-causing organisms in the plants. For example, we have Phytophthora infestas. We have those ones that affect the tomato blight, bacterial wilt, and many other. Bacterial wilt is not so, but it is Phytophthora infestas. It causes blight in tomatoes, also sometimes Irish potatoes. The fungal attacks can result in devastating agricultural loss. So when those fungi affect, for example, here we have the fungus affecting the leaf, and you can see it goes on invading the cells and destroying them. Thus, this one is going to lead to the loss of the productivity of the plant. Phytophthora infestans is not strictly a fungus, although it was classified as a fungus for many years. It is in fact a colorless filamentous algae, and its wall contains some cellulose, unlike the true fungi. So we are looking at Phytophthora infestas. It is not strictly a fungus because it is a colorless filamentous algae, and its walls, they contain some cellulose, which is not likely to be in a true fungi. It is described here because of its parasitic lifestyle. Closely resembles that of the pathogenic fungi, which infest plants, and also because it causes serious plant diseases such as tomato blight and potato blight. So we are bringing it here because it has got a parasitic lifestyle closely resembling to that of the pathogenic fungi. The hyphae of this parasite spreads internally through the leaves. Like the way we are seeing here, you can see that the parasite hyphae, they are spreading through the internal structure or cells of the leaf. Short branches from the hyphae, they penetrate the cell walls with the aid of the enzymes and absorb the nutrients from the cell content. So these hyphae that we are seeing here, they go on penetrating into the cells, and when they penetrate into the plant cells, they go on absorbing the plant nutrients, and thereby they cause damage to the plant cells. The cells are eventually killed, and then the leaves, and finally the whole shoot dies. So by these hyphae penetrating through the cells and absorbing the nutrients, the cells end up dying. And of course, when the cells are affected, the leaves are going also to die. And this will again be followed by the shoot itself dying and drying out. Before this happens, branching hyphae, they grow outside of the stomata and produce sporangium at their tips. So we can see that these hyphae, as they are growing, they also produce branching hyphae which pass out of the stomata. As you can see, the hyphae here, they are growing internally in the leaf mesophyll area, but they produce branches which go out of the leaf, and at their tip they produce the sporangium. The tip of the hyphae constricts to cut off the individual sporangia which are blown away in air current. So we have seen here the hyphae producing branches which pass through the stomatas, and when they come out they produce the sporangium. Now this sporangium, they constrict and they are cut off. They are released and they are blown away by the air current. The sporangium lands on a leaf of a healthy potato plant in warm, moist conditions. A new hyphae grows out from it and penetrates the leaf. So when this hyphae drops off and it goes and it lands on another healthy leaf, it will start to grow, and now it will start penetrating through the leaf, producing the different hyphae. The sporangia falls on the ground. They are washed into the soil by rain, thus infecting the potato tubers, causing them to rot. So if they fall on the surface of the soil, they will penetrate into the soil. And when they reach into the soil, they will find there the potato tubers, and they are going to infect the potato tubers, which is going to cause the potato tubers to rot. They will start rotting. The close proximity of the plants in the potato field allows the very rapid spread of the disease from one individual to the next. So when these plants are closely in close proximity, it is easier for this disease to move from one plant to another. And that one is going to cause a rapid spread of the disease from one individual to the next. Thank you very much for participating in Fungi Parasitic. Please do like, share, and subscribe.